Ready, depensa! Depensa!
Pantaleon to Morillo. Pantaleon, his three-pointer, short. Ansiado. Pass to Villanueva. To Pantaleon. Pantaleon fakes back to Morillo. Morillo for two. No good. Rebounded by Desagun.
Babangga.
Blocking foul committed by Morillo. Morillo, that is the first personal foul on the first team foul.
Kung dumiretso lang siya. Oo. Gets.
Pero nasa butas eh. Offensive talaga yun. Ay, offensive talaga yun.
Kung padiretso siya, offensive yun. No?
Desagun.
Mas ang bangga dito. Hindi yung sa dito. Basta nakatungtong sa gamit sa lalim mo.
10 to shoot. Lazo. 5 to shoot.
Kakainin ka lang pa dyan.
Ansiado.
Huwag magmadali. Bahala kayo dyan.
Back to Roloque. 10 to shoot. Roloque, no. Out of bounds. Turnover.
Ano to? Seiko? Seiko yan? Seiko? Seiko? Oo.
Gusto mong tingnan?
Galing na naman ang ibang bansa. Kita naman ito.
Pantaleon.
Hindi naman ang box.
Back to Morillo. Back to Pantaleon. Same ball. 12 to shoot. 12 to shoot.
Maganda na.
Maganda lang sa ano.
Pantaleon to Morillo. Morillo. No good. Rebounded by Desagun. Now Desagun, good for 2 balls by Chandra Desagun.
Desagun connection.
Pantaleon to Morillo.
Hold up na ulit.
Wow! Who's foul rep? Lazo.
Magkumpare.
Lazo, that is your second personal foul on the first team foul. Morillo, good for 1 point.
$32.45. Lamang na lamang ng Jonas. Balik
Good
14.
for another point by Morillo. Desagun. Desagun to Desagun. Out of bounds, same ball. 12 to shoot.
Bawi.
And there's a foul. Who's foul rep? Ansiado. Ansiado, that is your second personal foul in the first team foul.
Matay-technical ka dyan.
Makbang?
Hindi si ano? Sansyado.
Bakit?
Tobias.
Nangangatwira pa sa red.
No good. Rebounded by Montañez. Back to Pantaleon.
Oh.
Harap!
Ten to shoot. Who's foul rep? Lazo. Lazo, that is your third personal foul on the second team foul. Roloque.
Nice pass.
Open layup. Good for 2 balls by Roloque. Montañez. Paso Ansiado. Nice one.
Veterans mo!
Sabrep.
Ginamitan ng IQ.
Calculated.
200% IQ.
Good
Hey!
for 3 points by Morillo. Desagun. Desagun to Tobias. Tobias bumps to Roloque. 10 to shoot. No good. Rebounded by Ansiado. Intercepted by Tesagon. Tesagon, no good. Rebounded by Boss Montañez. Good for 2 balls by Murillo. Miscommunication. Sabrep. Pantaleon out. Valondo is checking in. Good for 2 balls by Montañez. What a quick shot.
Nakaharang na naman yung red.
Roloque. Paso de Sagon. De Sagon. Step back. 9 to shoot.
Yung kalaban sa team, once na tatama rito sa
18
De
lamang.
Sagon inbounding the ball. Sabrep. Pumasok na po ang mababasok.
Tukod na.
Sagon to Tobias. Tobias binawi. Good for 2 balls by Tobias. No good. Rebounded by Tesagon. Tesagon. No good. Rebounded by Cunyaos to Roloque. Roloque. Fakes. Rebounded by Roloque again. Roloque shots for 2. No good. Rebounded by Tobias. Tobias. Reverse shot. Good for 2 points by Tobias.
kaya yan!
Valondo.
Hands up lang! Dalawa kayo, dalawa!
Rebounded by Tobias.
Bigyan na rin!
No good. Rebounded by Aguilar. Aguilar, good for 2 points by Aguilar. Roloque.
16 points ang lamang.
10 to shoot. Tobias. Intercepted by Montañez. Intercepted by Roloque. Roloque for 2 points. Good for 2 points by Roloque. Villena. Pass to Montañez. Villena cuts. No good. Rebounded by Tobias.
Baba, baba!
Tesagon. Pass to Roloque. Roloque for 2. No good. Rebounded by Valondo. Valondo.
Bahala kayo dyan. Basta kayo nandito. Happy.
No good. Rebounded by Tesagon to Roloque. Roloque. Foul by Villena.
Sayang pa.
Charge! Timeout! Liam Amasaya. Villena, that is your first personal foul. Second team foul.
Boss, wala ba tayong paingay dyan? Hindi na nag-iingay si Boss Joner. Boss, wala nang reaction si Boss Joner. Lamang daw ang team niya.
Resume the ball game. Roloque, shots for 2. Good for 1 point by Roloque.
Tukod na, boy. Tukod na.
Easy lang ko, Jo. Maliit pa yan, Jo. Easy lang, kaya pa yan.
Another point for Loke. Remaining time 3 minutes and 40 seconds.
Baba na, pre.
Valondo.
Di, angat ako, Jo.
Foul by Roloke. Roloke, that is your first personal foul on the third team foul.
Bola, bola.
Bola.
Aguilar. Tulianzana. To Aguilar. Aguilar stops. And good for 2 points.
Yes. Hey.
Desagon. 14 to shoot. Tobias. Pass to Desagon. Desagon stops and shots for 3. No good, rebounded by Tobias. Tobias for 2. No good, rebounded by Espejo. Turnover.
Di, bawi lang, bawi lang.
Espejo, pass to Leanzana.
Pesto, pesto.
Leanzana. Pass to Aguilar. Aguilar again. He stops. Good for 2 points by Aguilar. Roloke. Roloke back to Engineer. Nice pass to head.
Ronnie, pagod na ikaw.
Pinapalabas si engineer.
Labas na.
Strategy.
Valondo. 10 to shoot. No good, rebounded by Leanzana. Leanzana for 2. No good, rebounded by Desagon. Desagon. Out of bounds, turnover.
Amir, ayusin mo, Amir. Nanonood si boss. 500 isang shot daw sa iyo.
1 minute and 37 seconds. Leanzana.
Hawak daw. Wala kay dyan.
Leanzana dribbling the ball. Naghanap ng papasahan. Binabagabag ni Lazo. Leanzana to Aguilar. Aguilar for good for 2 points by Aguilar.
Aguilar, may copyright ka daw.
Tobias. Back to day second. To Lazo. Lazo to Tobias. Intercepted by Villanueva. Oh, look pass to Valondo. Valondo lays up for 2 good for 2 points by Valondo. Last 55 seconds. Good for 2 points by Tobias. Valondo, last 47 seconds. Ten to shoot. Aguilar, 5 to shoot. Leanzana,
Tira!
1. Shot clock violation committed by Junior Tours and Travels. Last 28
Wala
seconds.
kayo madulas dyan, boss.
Sayang eh, mamamatay.
Ay! Huwag niyong apakan.
Desagon. Last to Lazo. Lazo for 3. Good for 3 points by Lazo. Valondo. Desagon by Coñaos. Last 5 seconds.
Lalim!
No good. Rebound by Aguilar. And that is the end of our third.